I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your bill details on the Lebara app, follow these steps to make it easy. Step 1. Open the Lebara app. Launch the Lebara app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your billing information. Step 2. Navigate to Account. Once you're in the app, look for the Account section, usually found in the bottom menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Billing. In the Account section, find and select the Billing option. This will take you to your billing overview where you can see your current charges. Step 4. View Bill Details. After selecting Billing, you should see a detailed breakdown of your bill. Tap on the specific month you want to check for more information. Step 5. Check Payment History. If you want to see past payments, look for the Payment History section. This will show you all your previous transactions and their statuses. Be aware that sometimes the app may take a moment to load the details, especially during peak hours. If you run into any issues, try refreshing the page. I hope this helps you easily check your bill details.